Hi guys, we're down at Porter's Head, boating lake over there. Just been trying my boat, wherever it is. Oh, it's in the front of the car now. Then I was going to have a go with the kite, but there's not enough wind for it today. There wasn't yesterday and there isn't today. So I think I'll do a rubber band exercise. Picked this up in a charity shop a while ago. Probably for £1, something like that. It's just one of those helicopter type, well, flying UFO it says there. It's just a helicopter rotor on top, a stick, and a rubber band. So I'll put that together and we'll wander over onto the grass and see how it goes. I have used one of these before, and the last one I had was missing one of the rotor blades, so you could only fly it with 2 rotors. This one looks like it's got the full set, so we got big ones and small ones from the looks of it. Yeah, that one's definitely smaller. In fact, it looks like we got 3 of the small ones and 4 of the bigger ones. Yes, hold that in place with one little rubber band. I remember now. I could of course read the instructions. That should do. Let's go and see if it flies. Okay. Well, I expected that to do better than that. Well, I've got to say, that's a bit disappointing. I'll try it with the bigger rotors. Still disappointing. Okay, we'll try it with just 2 rotors. I've got to say, this is really not very impressive at all. Go back to the smallest rotors. I suppose, to be fair, I've no idea how old this kit is, so this rubber may be very old and lost its strength. Okay, small rotors. Well, we got a bit more height then. Right, we have 3 other shapes to try. I think the lightest one will probably spin. So we'll try the second biggest. Okay, we'll jump to this one. Oh. Well, that's the rubber gone. See if I can tie it in a knot and save it. Right, this will have to be the last go then, I expect. Well, we got a bit of height. Now, before we jump to any conclusions about this kit, got to be fair, we've no idea how old that rubber is, so it's probably not giving us very much power. The kit itself is fine, but probably need to put fresh rubber on there. You can see this is actually cracking now, so it's pretty old. So I'll put it back in the box, and we might give it another go sometime with some decent rubber. So a quick summary. Guinness Book of World Records, build your own flying UFO. These are made by Paladone. That's the contents of the kit, although we appear to be missing one of the small rotors. So we've got 4 big ones and 3 small ones. We've got the body, we've got the 2 attachments top and bottom, but the rubber band appears to be a bit old and not giving us the power, and it broke when I overwound it. And then we've got 4 cardboard flying UFOs. Their purpose in life is to stop the stick spinning when the rotor's spinning, or at least reduce the torque spin. There you are. 1 plastic UFO body, 4 large rotor blades, 4 small rotor blades, 1 connector, 1 hook, 4 printed UFOs, rubber bands, and full Guinness World Records instructions. Yeah, I say, to be fair, that rubber's pretty old now, I should think, so I ought to give it a try with something a bit fresher, maybe even hobby grade, just to see how high we can go.